Eating peas every day can have several positive effects on your body due to their nutritional content. Peas are a type of legume, and they offer a variety of health benefits. Nutrient-rich. Peas are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients support various bodily functions. Weight management. Peas are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which can help with weight management. The fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in peas supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Heart health. Peas are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The fiber content also contributes to heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber in peas helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. Antioxidant properties. Peas contain various antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Bone health. The vitamin K in peas is important for bone health, as it plays a role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Skin health. The vitamin C content in peas can contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against skin damage from UV rays. Immune support. Vitamin C also supports the immune system, helping your body defend against infections and illnesses. Protein intake. Peas are a source of plant-based protein, which can be a valuable addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet, or simply a way to diversify your protein sources. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the phytonutrients in peas, such as cholesterol, may have protective effects against certain types of cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancer. Improved hydration. Peas have a high water content, contributing to your daily hydration needs. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health and proper bodily functions. Environmental benefits. Eating peas, especially green peas, can have positive environmental impacts. They are often grown in rotation with other crops to improve soil health and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers, contributing to sustainable farming practices. Versatile and tasty. Peas can be used in a wide range of dishes, from salads to soups, and can be enjoyed as a side dish or a main course. Their sweet, slightly nutty flavor makes them a versatile and tasty addition to your meal.